To make this Children's Day more special, let's make this pencil-shaped pen stand. Subscribe to Creativity and Simplicity and press the bell icon to get future updates. If you like this video, click like and do let us know your thoughts in the comments. Take a piece of cardboard, mark dots at 10 centimeters. Now mark halfway at 5 centimeters and again draw a line. Now draw a line in this way. Now cut along the lines to get a pencil shape. Make another similar pattern in cardboard. Now cut them into half like this. Now cover them using colored paper. I'm using pink for the lower part and yellow for the upper part. Now I will decorate even more using paper tape. Now stick the parts into a cardboard using Fevicol. The pencil-shaped pen holder is ready. Don't forget to subscribe to Creativity and Simplicity and press the bell icon for future updates. Happy Diwali! See you next week. Bye bye.